Hola chicos, so today we're going to start the last chapter of vocab. It's called Chile. This is the last country we're going to focus on this year, or this trimester. Chile, also located in South America, right next to Argentina. So if you could follow along with the vocab. Número uno. Estrecho, angosto means narrow. Número 2, cobre, elemento químico de color rojo. This is going to be copper. Número 3, cosechar, recoger, we've seen before. This is to harvest. Número 4, el trigo, cereal. Trigo is wheat. The next one, el comercio, looks like the word in English, commerce. So el comercio is commerce, and commerce is a trade of goods, so commerce. Trade of goods. The next one, antiguo, you guys also saw before. Antiguo is old. Puerto, embarcadero, muelle is going to be a port. The docks. Los habitantes, ciudadanos, are the people of the citizens or inhabitants. Salitre, sustancia salina. This is a little bit difficult. It's a saltpeter. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. So this is a saltpeter, which is basically a natural resource that they're going to use in Chile, talking about a saline substance, saline coming from salt, a lot of salt built up from the sea. Cedro. Okay, this is going to be cedar, a type of tree that's going to be found in Chile, cedar. And cypress is a cypress tree. Again, chicos, these are just natural resources that we always talk about in each country and what they use. Árido, seco, no tiene humedad. This is arid, dry. And chaparrones are going to be a downpour. And a downpour is an intense lluvia. Lluvia means rain, so an intense rain for a short duration. Una ráfaga is going to be a gust of wind, very strong, again, a short duration. So this is a gust of wind. And then finally, La Patagonia, chicos. I think we talked about it a little bit in Argentina, but we're going to really focus on it in Chile. La Patagonia, that's the name of it, and it's the region in the south of Chile. So just leave it as La Patagonia, but it's known for its glaciers and fjords. If you can hear my daughter, she is very hungry, so she's eating pancakes right now. So chicos, fjords and glaciers, if you've seen the movie Frozen, the word fjord is kind of like the popular Frozen set of water that the castle is found on in Frozen. JJ, you want to say hi? Can you say hi? No? Okay. So chicos, if you guys can make these into Quizlet cards and then send me back both your notes and your Quizlet cards, I would greatly appreciate it. Gracias.